And in this video, I'll walk you through the development and functionality of a secure email-based OTP login system. This project focuses on enhancing user authentication without relying on traditional passwords using temporary codes delivered via email. This implementation ensures both usability and security, making it an ideal solution for lightweight yet safe login systems. Let's start with the technologies I used. I used Node and Express form the backend framework. Node Mailer handles secure email delivery. Express Session is used to manage session data like storing user emails temporarily, and HTML, Bootstrap, and CSS for a responsive front end, and .env to protect environment specific credentials like email passwords. This project is structured with clean separation between public facing files and the backend logic. The public HTML folder contains all the static assets, while the core server logic resides in server.js and OTP manager. Let me demonstrate the user interface and then we'll go through how the backend works. So this is the index.html page, and when you click on the login, it takes to the login.html where the users are asked to enter their name, phone number, and email address. And then they send the OTP, which is sent through their email. So this is the code. If the OTP matches, it gives a success page, and if the OTP is incorrect, it says the OTP is invalid and asks to try again. Now let's explore the backend, starting with server.js, which is the main application file. We begin by importing the key modules, which are Express, Body Parser, Express Session, and our custom OTP module, OTP-manager.js. We configure middleware. Body Parser helps us extract from data from post requests. Express.static serves static files from the public HTML folder. Express Session securely stores user session data like the email address without persisting it on the client. Two important routes drive the login flow. The send OTP. This receives the email, generates an OTP, emails it using OTP-manager.js, and stores the email session and redirects the user to OTP entry page. In the verify OTP, this compares the entered OTP with the one saved in memory and renders a success or failure message based on the result. OTP Manager handles the entire authentication system. Generate OTP generates a 6-digit random OTP and sends it in an object tied to the user's email. This is simple and ideal for demo purposes. And send OTP uses Node Mailer to deliver the OTP via email using SMTP authentication. And validate OTP checks the submitted OTP against the stored one and returns a boolean. These methods work together to ensure that OTPs are unique, temporary, and securely validated. Now let's discuss how OTPs are actually delivered via email. I've used Node Mailer, a popular node.js library, to send OTPs via a Gmail SMTP server. Credentials like the sender email and app-specific password are stored in a .env file for security using the .env package. This OTP login system is a secure, modern approach to user authentication. It demonstrates the practical application of backend frameworks, email delivery, and session management. The user interface is responsive and user friendly. The code is modular, extensible, and aligns with real world security practices. Thank you.